Today's video we're going to be shaving with Taylor of Old Bond Street, Eton College Collection, and the Carve Aluminum. If you like the sounds of that, stay tuned. Let's get shaving.
What up guys, what up guys, welcome to the channel. Bam, Will Shaves, back for another fabulous shave.
And that is how Will started basically, for the most part, every video, and something I always looked forward to, the what up, how's it going, and yeah, Will's going to be missed. And so this shave is going to be for Will Carter. So I know he liked Taylor of Old Bond Street, so I'm going to go with some Taylor of Old Bond Street. And this is dried up fairly well, so we're going to actually load right out of the tub. Now, I also know Will liked his boar brushes, so I have my Simpsons boar that has been soaking. Just got out of a nice hot shower and give the brush a good soak. I'm going to try and load this properly. I've scooped out of this so many times before. It scooped so much out of this cream before it kind of like gummied up that it's just like, it's like the surface of the moon in there. There's just crags and crevices and everything. But yeah, no, I think, yeah, we're loading all right. I think we will be all right. If you haven't smelled the Eton College Collection, it's a nice citrusy floral, a nice masculine floral scent. And oh boy, that was probably quite a heavy load of cream. So this could get interesting. We shall see as the shave goes on, or as the lather goes on, I should say. There's a lot of cream there, but well, whatever. One thing about creams is they do hydrate pretty quickly, and this is a good one. I absolutely love the scent on this one, and I do think I have the perfect splash that pairs with it now too. So yeah, I'm kind of disjointed. I don't really know what to talk about. I guess talk about Will. Will was a super friendly guy. If you had the pleasure of talking to him in your comments sections, always happy. He would always, he would comment, that was a beautiful shave, and he was pretty jazzed about the whole wet shaving thing and the wet shaving community in general, especially in the the smaller subset of the wet shaving community, which is the content creator community on YouTube. And he was just always a great guy to talk to. You would always know when Will was watching your videos. He'd always leave a nice positive comment, and he just always seemed in an upbeat mood, and always happy to be shaving, which is ultimately, I think, what all of us should strive to do. Especially with wet shaving, we all got into it to enjoy the shaves, and I think Will truly did enjoy the shaves. So I think that's one thing we can take away from that, and one lesson that we can learn from Will. I know I get burnt out on the hobby a little bit sometimes, and the excitement some days isn't there for the shave, and I've been working on that in the last little bit, to really get that excitement back, and it's there, and that is in part to Will's enthusiasm too. So I will forever be thankful to Will for that enthusiasm. And I think we're gonna go with this for a lather. That feels nice and slick, and that loaded up quite quick. I think I like loading it out of the tub this way instead of just smearing it on the face. That worked really, really well. I don't know if I'd want to do it with a fresh tub of tubs, because, you know, it's like super creamy, and yeah, I don't know if I'd want to do that to a brand new tub, but to one that's kind of, you know, drying out a little bit, for lack of a better word, worked great. And we'll put some extra illumination on. I gotta find a better light. I need one of those ring lights that everybody seems to use. I just have like a little, well, here, I'll show you. Turn it off. I just got one of these little dollar store jobbies. Takes 3 AA batteries. It's bright as all get out, but it is hard on batteries. And we'll get the shave started here with my Carve aluminum 4-inch handle open comb C-plate. That would be a blade gap of 0.85 millimeters. Positive blade exposure 0.09 millimeters, exposing a second use Wizamet Super Iridium, also known as the People's Blade. Or at least that's what I call it, is the People's Blade, and what a fine blade it is. And what a fine shaving razor the Carve is. I'm pretty much back on daily shaves now, so I'm switching back and forth between shavettes and straights and DEs. I find if I do a full 3-pass DE shave every day, my skin gets really irritated. So if I, oh, got a big old bloop. So if I switch back and forth between DE and a shavette, or a straight and then back to a DE, I find it easier on my skin, even though I do clean up with a DE after every straight razor or shavette shave. I'll reach for one of my milder DEs, and it does not irritate my skin. And yeah, I've been getting really good shaves with that. Assortment of. Jesus, I can't English today. With that assortment of razors, I guess, or that lineup, just switching things in and out. It's also why I'm going to go for the Overlander from Carve. Belu sold me on it. Shaves like feels like a B plate, but has the efficiency of it like a D plate. And I like the sounds of that. That being said, these Carves really, really are good. The whole point of that entire rant, not rant, but that whole line of random thought was, I mean, you know, I am daily shaving, so I'm using a Carve open comb C-plate, essentially as a daily driver, you know, if you want to use those words, because I did shave yesterday to a full-on BBS. But this is shaving just so smooth, no irritation, no nothing, just doing great things. You really got to love the Carves for that. They can be quite, you know, you go for a quite efficient plate, but it can still be a smooth, super smooth shave, you know, in comparison to something like maybe a not a Rockwell, but I mean an R41, I meant to say, like from Mula. I don't think, bloopage is going on everywhere here. I don't think an R41 would be the daily driver for too many people. I think it would be a little too buku of a blade gap to daily drive. But with Carve, you know, I think a C plate can daily drive no problem. Jeez, I got lather flying everywhere. This is probably the most hydrated Tobs lather I've ever used. And I gotta say, it's shaving really, really good. I'm at like that hydration level, and I gotta say, guys, it's performing really, really well. Sometimes I find Tobs a little drying on the skin, but not today. So the more you learn, right? The more you learn. There's always something to learn in this great hobby. And I know my light is starting to get dull. I can't see quite as good. Jesus, I got lather everywhere. Look at that. It's just flying off the brush. my wife's going to come home from work tonight and probably find a glob of lather in the floor somewhere that I missed, and she'd be like, what the hell is this? Anyway, I digress. But yes, so just a no-nonsense shave I get with these. And I think that's the kind of shave that Will would appreciate too. So no-nonsense shaves. Seemed to me he didn't really chase a whole lot of gear, a whole lot of software. He knew what he liked, and he used what he liked, and he was happy to do it. So cheers to Will for doing that. And man, this is really good. Like, this lather is dissipating. It's kind of almost a ghost lather here, but it feels very, very slick. I've never felt a Tubbs lather with this amount of residual slickness. Now, I mean, it's at the point where it's breaking down, but interesting. Very, very interesting. Damn, that's a nice shave. That is a very, very nice shave. Just one little stupid area right here. That's why I like this 4-inch handle. Get my hands out there. There we go. Yeah, good enough. That'll dry down to a BBS anyway, I think. Alright. Very, very nice shave. Enjoyed that one. As we think about our brother Will, I go for the cold rinse in the post and let you guys go. But I would like to thank everybody for tuning in and watching this video. A short little tribute to our brother Will. Will, you will be sorely missed in the wet shaving community, and that's definitely going to leave a void. And there's not much else to say, I guess, on that. So hopefully you're up there above looking down at all of us. And while you're up there, do us all a favor and teach all those angels up there how to wet shave. Spread the good word for us while you're up there and waiting for us to join you. And may you rest in peace, brother. So, and that is that's that. So I think I'm going to go with Noble Otter Neon Sun for the splash. This is also a floral citrus. Yeah, they're pretty close to the same vein. They're going to play real nicely together, I think. Get a good healthy application. Is there alcohol in this? Yeah, there is, yeah. Oh, just a faint little tingle. Faint little tingle. Nice shave. Very nice shave. Alright, well that's going to do it for me, guys. I said thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts about Will, and you know, any stories you may have, or thoughts from your interactions from Will over the years. Then please leave them in the comments down below. I would appreciate it, and I'm sure Will's family would appreciate it too if they happen to come across this this tribute video. So that'll do it for me. So thanks so much, everybody, so remember, be safe, be kind to one another, most importantly, have a great day, eat better, shave, and we will catch you later. Peace.